Well, welcome back. You're sort of catching up with me, just transferring the last of the garlic into the larger size pots. And I've already got the cold frame here ready, and we'll pop them in there in a minute. So basically, these have been done. Just put a bit of dirt in them. Fish out your garlic. Bit of spout, not a lot of root on that one. Make a hole, pop it in, and put a bit of dirt on top. It's starting to rain at the moment, so can't be too long outside with the camera. Me neither can't be too long outside, we'll be getting wet. The roots still not so big on that one, but they're still there. Bit of dirt on top just to cover it over. Only a few more to do now. Just as well as it's raining. Maybe I should prepare the pots beforehand in future. Lovely little root systems. Let's see how we're doing. We might have enough here. Well, that's that tray there filled up. These last few I'll put them into a bigger pot. Just take the peas out again, put them back in a minute. This is a bit early. A fun bit of doing it. There we go. Put the peas back. Don't forget the labels, make sure they don't fall out. And I've got 5 left. What do I do with 5? I better pop the broad beans in, haven't I? A bigger pot I need. One over there. Good enough. The root system on that. I'll put all 5 in one pot to start with. Just getting right a bit out here. What's that one? And there you go, that's the last 5 of the bed. Yeah. Now, while you're on the camera, did you know you can plant onions right now? Well, not onions, carrots. Got a packet here somewhere. There you go. Cracking carrots. They're from the Horticultural Society. I think those free in a magazine. And it says, so any time January through to July. And these are finger carrots, so you can actually plant these now. Good prepared bed. Because they're only small carrots, you can plant them in a, I suppose, a pot about this big. You never know. We've actually got an avocado growing there. See how it splits when the shoot comes through. But it's alright, so we'll sow some of these the next time. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll just show you what's in the cold frame and we'll turn you off. Right, there we go. So, what have we got here? We've got our Kelsey onions, whole tray of them. Next to that we've got our giant leeks, whole tray of them near enough. We've got our broad beans down there, and obviously the garlic you just see me finishing off is there. And we've got our 2 trays of peas and some more garlic in that tub in the corner. Well, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time. All the best.